So if you order our crawfish stuffing in the pint, this is what you do to make crawfish bread. You're going to go to the Italian bakery or your favorite bakery. This is a French hero, and you want it, the stuffing is going to fill up about this much, about 8 inches. So I'm just going to cut this short because it should exactly fit in there. And then what you do, you need this 8-inch sharp bread knife, and you gently go through the bread, staying on the inside of the crust as far as you can. That's why you need the long knife, and you're doing it the length of the knife. And carefully go around the edges, staying on the inside, and you want to gently cut the bread out. And see, it's important that it's a sharp bread knife, but you also have to be careful you don't cut through the bread, the outside. And then you want to gently bring this piece that you just cut, bring it out. Whole if possible. I got it mostly whole. And then see what's inside and gently scrape any loose pieces and crumbs and get them out so that you have a nice clean inside to fill it up without bread taking any room out of the stuffing. Just kind of scrape off any loose pieces. Shake it out. And now you have a clean surface to fill up with the stuffing. So if you bought crawfish stuffing in the pint container from us, it should be just enough to go into an 8-inch crawfish stuffed bread. I thawed it overnight in the refrigerator, and it's all thawed, ready to work with, but still nice and thick, so we can stuff it into the bread. I hollowed out the bread, and then I'm going to start to stuff. So each time you put stuffing in, you want to press it down as far as you can, but then just bounce it a little bit so it can settle on its own and fill in all the nooks and crannies. And then get some more and stuff it in. Press it down. Bounce it a second so it settles in nice and tight. Get some more. Gently press it in. Bounce it so it settles in nice and tight. Until you fill it up. Now the stuffing was made and frozen into pint containers. I let it thaw overnight in the refrigerator. I have fresh French bread, about 8 inches long. This just fits in. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bread that we cut out, and I'm going to clean the spoon off so we get it all, and take the rest of the pint and the bread and swirl it through so we get every last bit of flavor. There's a little bit left here. And I'm going to fold this in and plug the bread